Hey, do you have a moment to talk about the project?
Yes, of course. I was just reviewing some of the work.
Great. I wanted to check how things are going so far.
It's going okay, but there are still a few things that need attention.
I see. Which part are you working on right now?
I'm mainly focusing on the final report and making sure everything is accurate.
Have you completed most of the sections or are there still some pending?
I've completed the majority of it, but a few sections still need to be updated.
Is there anything causing delays?
Yes, some of the data we received was incomplete, so I had to double check everything.
That makes sense. Accuracy is important.
Exactly. I don't want to submit anything without reviewing it properly.
Do you need any help with those remaining parts?
I might need some assistance with the data analysis section.
All right, I can help you review it.
That would be great. It would definitely speed things up.
Let's go through it together later.
Sure, I appreciate that.
When do you think everything will be ready?
If everything goes as planned, I should be able to finish by tomorrow evening.
Do you feel confident about that timeline?
Yes, as long as there are no unexpected issues.
And all right, just keep me updated if anything changes.
I will.
Have you reviewed the work for any errors?
I've done an initial review, but I still need to go through it one more time.
That's good. It's always better to double check.
I agree. I want to make sure everything is clear and well organized.
Let me know if you want a second opinion.
I will. Thank you.
All right, it sounds like you're making good progress.
Thank you. I'm trying to stay on track.
Keep up the good work and let's review everything once it's ready.
Sounds good. I'll update you soon.
Great, I'll be available if you need anything.
Thanks. I appreciate your support.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm having a bit of trouble with this task, and I'm not sure how to continue.
All right. Let me take a look.
Thank you. I didn't want to make a mistake.
Can you explain what you've done so far?
I've completed the first part, but I'm confused about the next step.
What exactly is unclear?
I don't understand how to organize the information correctly.
Okay, I see the issue.
Could you show me how to do it properly?
Yes, I'll guide you step by step.
I'd really appreciate that.
No problem. It's not too complicated.
I just want to make sure I understand it correctly.
First, you need to arrange the data in this format.
All right, I see.
Then, you check for any missing details.
That makes sense.
After that, you can finalize it.
Okay, I think I understand now. So I start with this step, then follow the structure you showed me,
Yes, exactly.
and I should review everything before finishing?
That's right.
All right, I feel more confident now. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
If I have more questions, can I ask you again?
Of course, anytime.
Great. I'll continue working on it now. Hi, do you have a moment to talk about our meeting?
Yes, of course. What would you like to discuss?
I think we should schedule a time to go over the project details.
That's a good idea. When are you available?
I'm free later today, but I'm flexible.
Let me check my schedule for today.
Sure, take your time.
I have a few tasks to finish this afternoon, so I might be a bit busy.
That's okay. We don't have to meet today if it's not convenient.
I appreciate that.
How about tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning could work. What time are you thinking?
Maybe around 9 or 10 a.m.
I have a meeting at 9, but I'm available after that.
All right, would 10:30 be better?
Yes, 10:30 sounds perfect.
Great. Should we meet in the office or online?
I think meeting in the office would be better.
I agree. It will be easier to discuss everything in person.
Exactly.
All right, let's meet tomorrow at 10:30 in the meeting room.
That works for me.
I'll prepare the documents before the meeting.
Good idea. I'll review the materials as well.
Perfect. That will save us time.
Thanks for organising this.
You're welcome.
I'll see you tomorrow morning.
See you then.
Have a good day.
You too.
Hey, I'm having trouble understanding this part.
All right, no problem. Let me explain it to you.
Thank you. I've been trying to figure it out for a while.
That's okay. It can be a bit confusing at first.
Yeah, I think I'm missing something important.
Let's go through it step by step. First, can you tell me what you understand so far?
I understand the basic idea, but I'm not sure how to apply it.
All right, that helps me know where to start.
I think I get the first part, but after that, I get lost.
Okay, then we'll focus on that part. First, you need to look at the main objective.
Okay,
Then, you break it down into smaller steps.
I see.
After that, you organize the information in a clear way.
That makes sense.
Finally, you review everything to make sure it's correct.
I think I understand, but can you explain that part again?
Of course. Let me explain it more clearly. Instead of doing everything at once, focus on one step at a time.
Alright, that helps.
This way, it becomes easier to manage and understand.
Yeah, that's much clearer now.
Can you try to explain it back to me?
Sure, I'll try. First, I focus on the main goal, then I break it into steps.
Good. Keep going.
And then I organize everything before reviewing it.
Exactly, that's correct.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad it helped.
I'll try to apply this now.
Great. Let me know if you need more help.
I will.
Good luck. Hi, do you have a moment? I'd like to go over a task with you.
Yes, of course. What do you need me to do?
I need your help preparing a report for the project.
Alright, I'm ready. Could you explain what needs to be done?
Sure. I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to collect all the necessary information.
Where should I get the information from?
You can find most of it in the shared folder.
Okay, I'll check there.
Make sure you review each file carefully before using the data. After that, you need to organize the information into sections.
What kind of section should I create?
Start with an introduction, then add the main details and finish with a summary.
That sounds clear.
Try to keep everything structured and easy to read. Next, include any important data or examples to support your points.
Should I include charts or just text?
If possible, include simple charts to make the report clearer.
Alright, I'll add them where necessary.
Also, make sure the information is accurate and up to date. Once you finish, review the entire report carefully.
What should I focus on during the review?
Check for any mistakes, unclear points, or missing information.
Okay, I'll go through everything step by step.
Take your time. It's important that everything is correct. Try to complete the task by tomorrow afternoon.
That should be possible.
If you have any questions while working, feel free to ask me.
I will. Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
You're welcome. Let me know once you're done.
Sure, I'll update you.
Hey, are you free this evening?
I think so. I just finished most of my work. Why?
I was thinking maybe we could go out for a while.
That sounds good. Do you have something specific in mind?
Not really. I just don't want to stay home tonight.
Yeah, I understand. It's been a long day.
What time are you available?
I can be ready around 6:30. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Where should we meet?
Let's meet near the main street, close to the cafe.
Alright, I know that place. Hey, thanks for waiting.
It's okay. I just got here too.
How was your day?
It was a bit busy, but it's better now.
Same here. I needed a break.
So what do you feel like doing?
I'm not sure. Maybe we can get something to eat first.
That sounds like a good idea.
Do you prefer something light or a full meal?
Maybe something light. I'm not that hungry.
All right, let's look around.
This place looks nice.
Yeah, it does. The menu seems simple too.
I like places that are not too crowded.
Same here. It feels more comfortable.
Should we go in?
Yes, let's try it. I'm glad we decided to go out.
Me too. It's nice to relax after a long day.
We should do this more often.
Yes, definitely.